Coronavirus cases and fatalities are rising in Russia. Vaccination numbers are low, fake vaccine certificates are circulating, and health protocols are being ignored throughout the country. CBS News' Mary Ilyushina reports from Moscow.
Russia is facing its worst coronavirus outbreak yet, setting new case and fatality records almost daily as the rest of the world is seeing COVID-related deaths decline. On Friday, officials here reported an all-time high in daily infections with 32,000 cases and nearly 1,000 deaths. Hospitals are overflowing as the relentless fourth wave ravages across 11 time zones. In a video conference, President Putin was given the grim statistics. The infection rates grew nearly 31% since the beginning of September. Average weekly infections are 3 times higher than during the same period last year, this official said. The situation appears to be so dire that the Russian health minister pleaded with retired medical workers to get vaccinated and come back to work. Across Russia, vaccination rates are really low. Alexey Raksha used to work at the state statistics agency.
Around 30–35% of Russians are vaccinated. It's absolutely insufficient to curb the pandemic.
All of the usual measures that are meant to protect people from exposure to coronavirus are officially in place here, like mask wearing and social distancing. But their enforcement has been so selective and inconsistent that many Russians have stopped taking them seriously. And as the vaccination campaign has stalled again, large groups of population remain completely unprotected. And deaths are mounting. The official death toll stands at over 216,000, but Alexey Raksha says the real figure is much higher.
My estimate is 770,000 people dead because of COVID, excess mortality.
That's nearly the same number of deaths as in the US, despite Russia's population being less than half. The majority of Russian regions are making vaccinations mandatory for certain groups or introducing QR codes to access public spaces. But mistrust and a rise in fake vaccination documents means there is no guarantee it will help.
People usually can get some fake vaccinations, some fake certificates, pay medic workers, and it's ruin all the reputation of vaccination and the reputation of Sputnik, because when those people got infected, got to the hospital, and even got dead, they show wrong image to anti-vaccinators.
The authorities here have been very careful to impose new restrictions, fearing economic losses. But we have yet to see what Russia can do to break out of the cycle of new ravaging coronavirus waves. Mary Ilyushina, CBS Moscow.